Hey guys, welcome back to My Meals Monday. So today's actually an exciting day for me because I'm getting my hair done today. It's so long that it just desperately needs to be cut. I'm gonna take, I would say, 6 to 8 inches off because it's just too long. In fact, the other night I rolled over in my sleep and my hair had wrapped around my arm, and like when I rolled it, like tugged it and pulled it. It was ridiculous. So anywho's, I'm just gonna show you what I'm having for breakfast. I have some oatmeal with raisins. I love adding raisins into my oatmeal. I just cooked this in the microwave because my root health still is not here. I also have a coffee. I almost said a venti. This is not Starbucks. This is just a Nespresso Vivato Lungo and some almond milk creamer with ice. And then I have my bottle of water, which I've already been doing pretty good on, although it is 9 a.m. and I'm at 9 a.m. So I guess I've not been doing that good. But anyways, that is my breakfast. So I am just having my morning snack now. I made another coffee, did not add creamer to it, but when I make my second coffee of the day, I do it when there's about this much coffee left. And so it's not as dark, like as not black as it would be, but I just like doing it that way. So this is what it looks like. I just add some ice into it, have another bottle of water, and for my snack I'm doing one of these cottage cheese on the go. I like these, they're really small, and so I think they're only like 90 calories, and they're just handy to have, and that way, you know, portion wise we're doing it right. But anyways, yeah, this is my little morning snack. So for lunch I am getting some Panda Express. This is chow mein with orange chicken. I have a bottle of water, and then I'm gonna go get my hair done. I'm back home from the hair salon, and I wanted to show you guys, we have this mirror here so you guys can get a better idea of how my hair looks. That's what it looks like. So anyways, I am back home from getting my hair done. It took 4.5 hours. It's so annoying because my hair is not like texture wise thick, it's just super thick like amount wise. And so what is going on? So because of that, it takes ages because there's just so much of it. But we did cut 8 inches off, which I really needed. And then tomorrow I'm gonna dry shampoo the crap out of it, get some volume going, and it should look halfway decent. I haven't eaten since I had the orange chicken, which I didn't get to eat all of because I was running late for my appointment. So I think I'm going to feed Louie, who's clearly telling me he needs to be fed, and then do like a Caesar wrap or something. Okay, so I ended up ordering dinner. I've been trying not to eat out just because A, it's unhealthy, but B, just, you know, the planet. But I did order a Caesar salad, which looks delicious, and I got a Caesar veggie wrap, which looks incredible. Has caramelized onions, tomatoes, lots of lettuce, all kinds of good stuff in there. So and lots of Caesar dressing, which is the best on a spinach wrap, and then it's grilled. So I am going to eat my dinner. We're watching the movie Limitless, which is very good with Bradley Cooper, and yeah. So it's actually the next day, and I totally forgot to end the vlog. I was so tired. It's funny because like sitting in the salon all day literally makes me exhausted. I don't know why. But I just wanted to say sorry for not ending the vlog. And also I did not work out yesterday, and that was just because I had so much I was trying to get done, and when I got home there was no way it was going to happen. So that's why a workout is not included in this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I don't have anything to link, so I was just gonna say I'll link Lucy's video down below, but I didn't do a video. So yeah, that will be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.